You may pause the video and try this first. Okay, so we got let me move this a little bit to the left so I have room. So we got radioactive substance here and tables given. It says on the left side, this is number of days. And then on the right side, that's number of mass that's left after that many days. So they give us this equation here. So if the relationship is modeled by the function, so mass after that number of days is equal to A times 10 to the BD power. What could A, this you call that initial value, and B, okay. Now when D is equal to 0 and mass is 120, so 120 grams should equal to A, we don't know, let's say we don't know, or we don't know, and 10 to the, well, B, when D is equal to 0, whatever B is, since D is equal to 0, that's going to be 10 to the 0 power, which will be equal to, so this quantity right there, that's just 1, because 10 to the, any number to the 0 power is 1. So that means A times 1 is 120, A is 120, okay? Even though this is section 4, you could use your calculator. This particular problem, you don't need it, because we could get rid of choices A and B, because they say A is 12. So it's either C or D, but when you look at it, B term for C is positive number, and D is negative number. Now think about that for a little bit. Since D will be same, why? Because, for answer choice C and D, D is just number of days, so D can never be negative number, right? So that means we got M, mass, should equal to A, we figured it out, it was 120, times 10 to the, now if B is a negative number, since negative here, since number of days, which is D, is never negative, it's a positive, then it's gonna be 120 times, oh, that's the answer, my bad. It's a negative whatever number, right? See, as days go by, since the exponent is negative, it's gonna be 1 over 10 to that many power, which should decrease as we see here, okay? So it must be D. C cannot be it because that's for exponential growth. So this is for growth. Okay, since B is positive and D is positive. Here, this is decay. It's gonna go down as days go by. So answer for this one should be D.